Hello everyone, this is your maths teacher, Richard Ousu, and we have a question before us. The question is, two linear transformations whose matrices are M and N are defined in the xy plane by M is to xy maps to y, minus x, and N is to xy maps to x plus 2y, 2x plus 3y. I write down the matrices M and N. Find the matrix Mn. Find the image of the point 2 minus 1 under the transformation M of N. Okay, so this is the question. Can you solve it? If yes, I want you to solve it and write your answer in the comment section. Let us quickly go through. So we have the first linear transformation to be M is to x, y maps to y, minus x. So if we want to write the linear transformation of this matrix, it's going to be M is equal to, now we have y, so it means that we don't have the x part, so it's going to be 0. The x part is 0. Now the coefficient of y is 1, so we have 1 here, what is next is minus x. So the coefficient of the x is minus 1, but we don't have the y part, so we have 0. So it means that M is equal to 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, that is for the matrix M. Now let us write for the matrix N. So we have N is to x, y maps to, we have x plus 2y, okay, we have here, 2x plus 3y, okay. So the matrix N is equal to, the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of y is 2, positive 2, so we have here. Now the next is 2x, so the coefficient of x here is 2, and the coefficient of y is 3. So the matrix for N is 1, 2, 2, 3. Now let's go to Ri. So the Ri is, we have to find M, N, okay? So the M is what? 0, 1, we have minus 1, 0. Multiplying the N is 1, 2, 2, 3, okay? So the Mn means that the two matrices are multiplying. So you are going to have 0 times 1. Please, I want you to look at how I'm doing the multiplication. We have 0 times 1, so I'm going to take the row, then I'll multiply by the column. Row by the column, okay? So 0 times 1, 0, plus 1 times 2, 2, okay? Minus 1 times minus 1, minus 1 times 1, minus 1, 0 times 2, which is 0, okay? Then we have 0 times 2, 0 times 2, 0, 1 times 3, 3, so plus 3. Minus 1 times 2, minus 2, plus 0 times 3, 0. So this is the matrix, okay? So we have 0 plus 2, which is 2, minus 1 plus 0, which is minus 1, 0 plus 3, which is 3, minus 2 plus 0, which is minus 2. So the matrix becomes 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So that is for Mn. Now let's go to RRI. The RRI says that find the image of the point. So we have the point under the matrix M of N. Okay, so I want you to note this. A matrix times a point, or yes, A matrix times a point is equal to the image of the point. Okay, the image of the point. So what is the matrix? The matrix is M of n, which is Mn. So we have it to be 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. What is the point? The point is 2 minus 1. It is in the question, okay? Which is equal to the image that you are coming to find, okay? So 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 3 times minus 1, which is minus 3, okay? Minus 1 times 2, minus 2, plus minus 2 times minus 1, which is positive 2. So we have 4 minus 3, which is positive 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0. So therefore, the image of the point 2 minus 1 is 1, 0. Okay, so this is the solution of the question. Thank you for watching. Did you get the same answers as what I had here? If yes, congratulations. Let me see your comments in the comment section. Share and like for other people to benefit. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.